Good morning, students. Welcome back to English class. In our last session, we discussed about chapter number 7 of the book Honeysuckle. It's fair play. It's very interesting story. Basically, there are three characters: Juman Sheikh, Algu Chaudhary, and Juman's old aunt. This lesson or this story is about two friends, Juman Sheikh and Algu Chaudhary. They were very good friends. They were known for their loyalty and service to each other. Their friendship was a support to their families as well. The village people respected them as a lot for this. Lot for this means for their friendship and for their loyalty to each other. This story is about the realization of two friends who understood the importance of justice and right things in life. Life made them realize that justice and right things are above everything, including the friendship. So, part 1 and part 2 we have discussed already. Part 3 I will explain today. Before that, we'll have a look on part 1 and part 2. So, as this story is about two friends, Juman Sheikh and Algu Chaudhary, they were very good friends. As we know that Juman Sheikh had one old aunt. She was old and alone. She had some property which she have transferred to Juman Sheikh on the agreement that Juman will take care of her. For couple of years, things worked properly. After that, Juman Sheikh and his wife started to neglect her. The old lady realized that she was unwanted in Juman's house. So she talked with Juman and asked that for a monthly allowance so that she might set up a separate kitchen for her. But Juman Sheikh rejected this proposal and he said that his wife knows the best how to run a kitchen. After that, the old lady got very angry, so she went to every house in the village to seek support. She wanted support from the villagers, but the most of the villagers either laughed at her or advised her to make peace with Juman, as every person have different thought and different understanding. So some suggested her to keep mum, some said that make good relation with Juman and his wife, and some said yes, they not behaved well with her. So every person have different understanding. So after that, old lady decided to go to the panchayat. At that time, people used to go to the panchayat for justice. So as she decided to go to the panchayat started under old big banyan tree. So the old lady nominated Algu Chaudhary as a head punch. As we know that Algu Chaudhary and Juman Sheikh are good friends, still she nominated Algu Chaudhary as a head punch. As Juman Sheikh heard the name of Algu as a head punch, he was very happy. He was out of his happiness and he was feeling that he is most lucky, and he was trying to hide his happiness because he was confident that whatever will be the decision, it will be in his favor because his friend only going to take the decision. So old lady said that God lives in the heart of the punch. Okay, it means that a punch has no friend and no enemy. Means whatever punch decides, whatever punch speak, it's the voice of God. So Algu started to hear both the parties. First Algu heard the old lady, after that Juman Sheikh. After that, Algu gave his decision that he said that Juman must pay the old aunt monthly allowance or the property would go back to her. So Algu gave two options. That first one is that either Juman Sheikh have to give the property back to old lady, or he have to give monthly allowance. So after hearing this, Juman got very angry as he was expecting that decision will be in his favor because Algu is going to take the decision. When he heard this from Algu, he got very angry and he was thinking to take revenge from Algu Chaudhary because he was not happy with the decision of Algu. So after this panchayat, they were not talking with each other, they were not with each other. because Juman have started to think that Algu is not his friend and he was looking for the moment where he can take revenge. So after a few days the situation again changed. See, now the part 3 we are starting. Okay, now this is the beginning of part 3. Story starts with Algu Chaudhary. Here see what happened with Algu Chaudhary. Algu Chaudhary had sold a bullock to Samju Sahu, who starved the animal to death. Okay, when Algu demanded the price, he became angry and refused to pay the money. Algu had to approach the Panchayat for justice. Okay, when Algu sold his bullock to Samju Sahu, it was in good condition, but after that it got die. But when Algu asked for the money, the price of the bullock, Samju rejected it, and he said that he have sold dead animal to Samju Sahu. He shouted on Algu Chaudhary, and after that Algu Chaudhary got very sad. He don't have any choice, so he approached to Panchayat for justice. As we know that when Panchayat started again, same under a big old banyan tree. When Panchayat started, Samju Sahu nominated head punch as Juman Sheikh. See, here situation is totally opposite. When earlier Panchayat was going on, the old lady nominated Algu Chaudhary as a head punch, and Algu had to take decision on Juman Sheikh. Now here situation changed. Samju Sahu, as he was already aware that Juman Sheikh want to take revenge from Algu, so purposely he nominated Juman Sheikh as a head punch, so that he thought decision will be in his favor. So here Juman is nominated as a head punch. Now he is a head punch and he will take decision on Algu Chaudhary. So as Algu Chaudhary heard the name of Juman Sheikh as a head punch, he got very sad. Okay, he had a fear and Juman would try to take revenge as head punch. So his heart sank and he lost all hope, because he was aware that Juman will try to take the revenge here. So he was very sad, his heart sank and he lost all hope, because for justice he have approached the Panchayat, but after the nomination of Juman Sheikh as a head punch, he lost the hope. Now see what happened next. As Panchayat started, both the parties started to put their points. The moment Juman became head punch, he realized his responsibility. Okay, as Juman Sheikh sat on the position of punch, as he nominated as a head punch, he realized his responsibility. He has realization came, so he must not allow his personal feeling to come in the way of speaking the truth and doing justice. Juman for the case announced that the death of the bullock was unfortunate, so Sahu pay Algu the price of the bullock. God lives in the voice of punch. Okay, after the nomination of a head punch, when he seated in the position of head punch, he realized the responsibility of a head punch, so he not allowed his personal feeling to come in the way of the path of truth, and he gave the justice. He declared that Algu Sahu have to pay it for the bullock, because bullock got die. It was unfortunate, because when Algu sold the bullock, it was in good condition. The death of the bullock is unfortunate, so Sahu have to pay Algu the price of the bullock. After hearing the decision, Algu Sheikh got very happy and he said that God lives in the voice of punch. So this story is about justice and relationship. We have to manage both the things in our life in proper manner. This story is written by Prem Chand. Now your home assignment is, you will write the moral of the story, which moral you got from the story. Read the lesson, you will get it. Okay, bye. Have a nice day and take care.